Good afternoon and welcome back to Car Training. Today we're going to cover service request assignment, how to do it, and how to access critical data that our system records about assignment and productivity in your service facility. Starting from the dashboard, you wanted to assign a ticket quickly. You can go to the service request list, find the service that you would like to assign, and press the action button. Upon pressing the action button, the menu will display ticket assignment. Clicking on ticket assignment brings out a flyout menu. This menu has basic service request information, along with an estimated timer and the ability to assign this service request to yourself, another technician, another employee, the date and the times that you would like the employee assigned this service request. It also produces suggestions based on open availability in your shop calendar. The next way to assign a service request from the job board would be to access the action menu and also press ticket assignment. The same flyout menu comes in with the exact same information, allowing you to assign it to who you need to, start dates, end times, along with suggestions. The next way to assign a service request can be from the actual service request view page. You can see three icons on the top right-hand side. The first icon will allow you to take this service request and assign it to yourself immediately. The second icon will allow you to assign it to the next available time slot. The next place where you can perform a ticket assignment is the service request fill recommendation page. From this page, you can access the quick action menu and select ticket assignment. The same flyout menu will greet you and allow you to select dates and times as you have seen before. The next point where you can access the assign menu would be from the car calendar. Within the calendar, you can click on a service request. If it has not been assigned, you can assign it to the next available individual, whether that be yourself, a technician, or another employee, and select available time slots as you've seen before. Next on our list, we're going to talk about how to access employee timers to know how much time they spent in a service request. So, from any service request page, whether view or fill recommendation, if you click on the status, you will be presented with the technicians that were assigned, the start date, the end date, the hours that were allocated, and the hours that were worked on that service request. You also have the ability to monitor service request logs to check any and all changes made to each service request. The employee reports page helps you evaluate employee productivity based on each service request, hours sold, and hours worked. And finally, to start a timer, all you or any employee has to do is open the service request. You will be prompted with a start timer pop-up window. Upon pressing start, you will see the icon shown as pause or job done. When you try to back out of a service request, you are then presented with the timer pop-up again, asking you if you'd like to pause or is the job done. When going back into any service request that you are assigned, you will see the action and the ability to pause the timer from the service request list. Going into the view page, you can also pause or mark the job done. And in from the fill recommendation page, you have the exact same options, pause or job done. Thank you for watching this edition of Car Training. We hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.